Hello guys, today I will explain in a simple and quick way what a voltage divider is. The voltage divider concept is applied in calculating the voltage at the terminals of different resistors connected in series. Let's do now a circuit for a better explanation. So, applying the Kirchhoff voltage law along the closed path we have here, okay? So we have here current E. We can say that the voltage equal to resistance 1 multiplied by I plus resistance 2 multiplied by I. We can do this in order to the current, and so I is equal to V divided by resistance 1 plus resistance 2. Now we know that the voltage in V1, okay, this voltage over here is equal to R1 multiplied by the current. This is the Ohm's law, as you know. And so we can put this formula over here in here, and then we will say that V1 is equal to the resistance 1 multiplied by V again divided by R1 plus R2. And this is the voltage divider formula. If we can do the same thing for V2, we know that this voltage drop over here in V2 it's equal to R2 multiplied by the current. We put the formula of the current in here, and you can say that V2 is equal to R2 multiplied by V divided by R1 plus R2. Okay guys, very simple. Now let's make an exercise. The exercise says use the voltage divider concept to determine the value of VO, the value of the voltage at the output when resistance 1 assumes a value equal to 2 R2. So we know that R1 is equal to 2 R2. Okay? And so we want this voltage drop over here, VO. So, and as we've seen before, we can say that this current over here is high, and so you know that V is equal to R1 multiplied by the current plus R2 multiplied by the current. We know that the current, and so the current is V divided by R1 plus R2. We know that this voltage over here is 30 volts, and so 30 divided by, and you know that R1 is equal to 2R2. 2R2 plus R2 is equal to 30 divided by 3R2, right? So we know that this voltage over here, that it's VO is equal to V2, is the voltage in the resistance 2, and so VO is equal to R2 multiplied by the current. Now we put this formula in the current, and you know that R2, you know that VO is equal to R2 multiplied by 30 divided by 3R2. This cuts with this, and you can say that VO is equal to 10 volts. Okay, very simple guys. I hope you understand, and I see you in the next video.